We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to change your toner cartridge on a Canon color image class LBP654cdw. So first thing first, you have your little toner icon right here. If you press that button, it'll lift open the front. Then you just press on this little blue lever, it'll pop this out. Take out your old toner, set it to the side. You'll want to unbox your new toner and put it in. If you happen to take it out and forget where that color goes, there are little color codes right here that shows you where to put the toner in. So just make sure you put it back in the correct place. Unbox your new toner, stick it in there, and then you'll shut that. Once you hear it click, you know it's in there. Shut your front hatch and you should be good to go. This printer takes an 046 or an 046H. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.